A very good morning to students. Today I will teach you a new topic, fundamental of computer. This is for the class 4th. First of all, what is a computer? A computer is an electronic device. It was created by Charles Babbage. That's why Charles Babbage is called the father of computer. Computer term is taken from the word compute, which means calculate. A computer can do the following work. First, computer can process huge amounts of data very quickly. Data is information stored by a computer such as files, video, games, songs, pictures, etc. Second, computer can store a large amount of information. Third, it displays accurate results. So these all are the work which is done by the computer system. Now parts of the computer. A computer is made up of three main parts. First is input, process and output. So these all are the parts or unit you can say. First, the input unit. The information which we enter into the computer is known as input. The user will give the data like words, number, picture and sound. This is called the input. Now input unit consists of different parts like keyboard, mouse, joystick and scanner. Now let us learn about few input devices. First is keyboard. You already have seen these parts of the computer. The keyboard is an input device just as you a pencil to write on a paper. The computer needs a keyboard to tell it what to do. A keyboard has 101 keys. Mouse. Mouse is also a input device, but it is a pointing input device. A mouse has 2 or 3 buttons called left button, right button and middle button. Middle is this. Buttons are used to perform different functions like to select an object and opening a program. So mouse is an input device. It is also used to give input to the computer system. Now what is a processing unit? Processing which is used to done our process. We are giving the input to the computer and CPU will do the process. The computer carries out all its work in the central processing unit. CPU stands for central processing unit. It processes data according to the instructions provided. CPU is the brain of computer. Just as our brain controls all the different parts of the body and makes them work together, the CPU controls all other parts of the computer and makes them work together. So computer is like a brain which is control the computer parts. Now what is the output unit? When an input is processed in the computer, it gives a result which is known as the output. As I told you, input unit will give the input to the computer. Processing means CPU will do the process. And output unit will give you the output on the screen. On the screen like monitor. So these all are the parts of output unit. First is monitor, printer and speaker. Let us learn about the few output devices. First is monitor. A monitor is like a television. It shows us what work the computer carries out. The glass surface of the monitor is called this screen. It shows whatever you type on the keyboard or draw with the mouse. Second is printer. Printer is also an output unit. It gives printout on the paper. A printer can print out as text or images. There are color printer as well as the black and white printers. According to our choice, we can use the printout. Speaker. Speaker is also a part of the output device. Speaker are one of the most common output devices. Sound produced by the computer or song played on it are heard through the speaker. Now listen this video and give this quiz. First, fill in the blanks. Computer can dash a large amount of information. Second question is how many keys does a keyboard have? Third, Phillips dash is pointing input device. Fourth, CPU is the dash of the computer. And fifth, the glass surface of the monitor is called dash. So listen this and give this Phillips. Thank you to watching this video.